Hello guys, hope you're doing well. And as always, if you are new to my channel, I would humbly request you to subscribe to my channel so that you shall be able to watch all my related engineering videos that I will upload. Alright, today we are starting a new series of statics concept builder questions. Okay, so our aim is basically to improve the statics theoretical concepts. Okay, so that we shall be able to perform really well from the theoretical examination point of view. Okay, for the statics questions. Thank you. All right, in this one, the first of the series, we have basically taken three problems and we shall try to solve them. Okay, so if you look at it over here, we have the question: how vector products of two collinear vectors will always result in a magnitude of dash. Okay, so we the sign over here is that vector product. Okay, of two collinear vectors. So collinear vectors, first of all, we must understand what are basically the collinear vectors. Very important. So if you go and understand over here, basically for the concept of what do you mean by a collinear vector, this is very important. Okay, so here we have basically tried to explain you this is basically a collinear vector. If you look at
Assalamualaikum
it,
students.
this is basically two vectors which have thus different magnitudes but they are along the same line. Okay, so this is an example of collinear vectors f1 f2. They are basically lying along the same line and their angle basically can be if they are acting along the same sense, their angle can be 0. But if they are acting along their sense is opposite, like they over here between f3 and f2, their angle is 180. Their independent equation is sigma fx equal to 0. So these are basically what is basically termed as the collinear vectors. Okay, so if you watch this video, you can understand what is a collinear vector. So here we can have two collinear vectors and we assume their angle is 0 degree. Okay, so we know that because vector product is being asked, so m naught equals to rf sine theta. For two collinear vectors, angle will be basically, we assume it 0 degree. So if we take the moment of these two vector product, because he is asking for the vector product, so it will be basically magnitude will be 0. Okay, so that is the answer to this question. So vector product of two collinear vectors. So the second question that he has asked from us is, he has asked from us, describe and prove mathematically for a vector A direction cosines of angles cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equals to 1. Okay, so we have a detailed video for this proof if you look at it. And basically if you go here, basically we have this video which is going to help you in proving this mathematical proof, that is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equals to 1. You can basically go in this playlist for statics conceptual reasoning and you can see the detailed proof of this video. Okay, so the third question he asks you, the two externally applied loads on any structural system are dash and dash. Okay, so always remember in statics that two externally applied loads can be, for example, if we have a basically structure in which we have concurrent a 2D coplanar concurrent force system, and these are two basically forces. So one of the externally applied loads on any structural system are the forces, and the other one will basically be, if we have basically a point O and basically a force is acting over here and the moment arm is R, so it will be moments. Okay, so one of the answer is forces and the other answer for this is moments. Okay, so these three questions were very typical, so I selected for you guys. I hope this will help you build your statics concept reasoning question. Thank you very much and you have a wonderful day.